Access Control System series of tutorials.
Right-click on the Access Control software shortcut and select the Open File location to quickly open the software root directory. Step 1. Open the Import tool Excel 2DB 2012. Note: 1. This tool only supports Excel. 2. The header of Excel should be exactly the same as the example. Step 2. Open the Excel software and start editing the table. The order of the columns should not be reversed. They must be code, name, gender, card number, etc. Step 3. Add people to the table. 1. Code is required and cannot be duplicate. 2. Card number can be empty and cannot be repeated. 3. Other optional. Note: if using higher version Excel, the table must be saved as Excel 97 to 2003 workbook. Step 4. Return to the Import tool and select the newly created table in the data source. After reading the data, you can briefly browse whether the data is complete. Step 5. Select the target database to be imported, and click Next after successful test connection. Step 6. Click the button to start importing people.